Hi love, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this looking delicious yummy pancake. Yes, Nigerian pancake, also known as diet. So if you've run out of breakfast idea, let's make this together. So inside this bowl we'll have 2 cups of flour, and this is the sugar I'll be using, 5 cubes. So I would have to mix it with milk. Actually, these 4 cups of powdered milk. I had to add it into a lukewarm water. So because it's a cube, I'll have to mix it up inside this milk. I'll have to stir so that it will melt. I have to stir very well to make sure it is mixed well. So I will now have to introduce it inside the flour. Then this is the next. This is actually sliced onion and fresh pepper. Yeah, just I want to add this small because I don't want to be while eating it. So if you have green pepper, you can also add, but I won't be adding any green pepper. I'm done. So this is actually 5 pieces of eggs. I'll have to whisk very well before introducing it. Yeah, so I added just a pinch of salt, and then I will have to stir, and as you can see it's very thick, very thick. So I'll have to get another water into it, but make sure you use lukewarm water, don't use cold water. Yeah, this is actually lukewarm water I rinsed from the milk cup. So I'll have to introduce it, and as I'm introducing, I'll be stirring until I get the consistency I want. So I have to stir and stir and stir. So let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, both new and old. Thank you. Welcome to this family. If you are seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. So I'll have to stir. Let's check. Yeah, no. So I'll have to keep stirring. So I guess at this point we are good to go. Yeah, so I have to get a non-stick pan or pot. Me, I'm using pot. Yeah, non-stick pot. So I'll have to introduce oil. Then don't add much oil before you adding the mixed flour. Then you start frying like this. I'll take it off. This is how I fry until I got to the last. Yeah, just a little bit of oil, then you introduce, and that is it. In Hausa we call this wainankwe. Guy, this thing has taken me back while I was in the north. Yeah, we call it wainankwe. Hey. So this is the outcome, guys. Looking so yummy, delicious. Do you know what? The taste was something else. Even though I didn't add much ingredients, but the taste it can actually go with tea, juice, anything. You can even take it with water, my dear. It is good to go. So at this point, I'm giving this part to all my new subscribers, and this one is for my old subscribers, and this one for my intended subscribers, at least now to change your mind. I make you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.